I drive a 2018 Hyundai Elantra. Recently I got a check brake light warning message, which in this case means I have no illumination from my rear passenger side brake light. Here's how to fix it. First, go to your friendly neighborhood auto parts store and buy a pair of 7528 bulbs. Remove the interior brake light panel. Then unplug the electrical connection. There's a small tab you press to release the plug once you pull on it. Push this plunger all the way in until it hangs freely. There are two nuts here that need to be removed before the taillight will come out. Apparently these are 10mm nuts, but I lost my 10mm long ago, so I'm faking this socket work just for your benefit. I ended up using a crescent wrench in my case. I forgot to film this part, but put both nuts back on in reverse and only spin them for a couple of threads so that they're flush with the end of the bolt. Now what you're going to do is hammer these bolts, which is terrifying, but it really does work. Just make sure you hit these flush. I was definitely nervous to do this, but if you hit it hard enough, it only takes a few whacks to knock it loose. Once it's loose, remove both nuts and then you'll be able to easily remove the taillight assembly. To unlock the bulb, simply twist the plug and pull. To remove the old bulb, push it down, twist, then pull it out. Install the new bulb with a push and a twist. Then reinstall the plug and lock it back in place. Put your taillight assembly back on the car and reconnect everything like it was before you got into this situation. Now that you're done, the warning light should be gone, and when you stomp the brake pedal, you should have full illumination again. The whole process took me 20 minutes, but I was also setting up camera shots and fiddling with my phone, but I'm sure you could do this in 10 minutes. And if this video helped you, please hit that like button. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching.